क्या आप जानते हैं कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट की जुरिसडिक्शन एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पावर्स हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में आर्टिकल 124 से 147 तक डिफाइंड है? अगर नहीं जानते तो कोई बात नहीं, बिकॉज टुडे वी विल डिस्कस द जुरिसडिक्शन ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट। हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज कृपा एंड यू आर वाचिंग फ्लेम्स क्लैड। The Supreme Court has three types of jurisdictions: original jurisdiction, appellate jurisdiction, and advisory jurisdiction. So now let's understand some important features of these jurisdictions. The first is original jurisdiction. When a case comes before the court for the first time, it is said to have the original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. It covers the following incidents: any conflict involving one state or more states and the government of India, matters including fundamental rights under Article 32. The Supreme Court has got the right reserved to transfer a criminal or civil case from one high court to another of two different states. In order to safeguard the fundamental rights of Indian citizens, the Supreme Court is authorized to issue the writs. Second is appellate jurisdiction. Under this jurisdiction, a person can approach the court to revert the decision made by other lower courts if he finds it to be unjust to them. In constitutional disputes, an appeal against the High Court judgment can be filed to the Supreme Court if the High Court acknowledges that the case presents a significant legal question that requires constitutional interpretation. And the last is advisory jurisdiction. As per the Article 143 of the Indian Constitution, the President may consider the judgment made by the Supreme Court under two different categories of issues: any legal issue or an important public truth that has come up or that is likely to come up, and on any controversy arising out of pre-constitutional agreement, treaty, commitment, partnership or other promissory notes. It is the complete freedom of the Supreme Court whether it wants or doesn't want to provide its point of view to the President. But in some cases, the President can demand the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court about its decision in a case. Did you know the Supreme Court has more kind of jurisdiction under which the Supreme Court has the authority for the review of its judgment under Article 137 of the Indian Constitution. Follow Flames platform and stay tuned for further updates. And do register in our latest Kalam Batch 2 for CLAT 2025.